Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. Today, we're making a delicious and easy egg salad sandwich. First, let's get those eggs ready. Place about 6 to 8 large eggs in a saucepan and cover them with 1 inch of cold water. Bring that water to a rolling boil, then turn off the heat and let the eggs sit for 10 to 12 minutes. Afterward, give them a quick ice bath for 5 minutes to stop the cooking process. Now that your eggs are cool, it's time to peel and chop them. Gently tap each egg on a hard surface and roll it to crack the shell all over. Peeling them under cool, running water can make the process much easier. Once peeled, chop the eggs into small, even pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch in size. This ensures a consistent and delightful texture in your salad. With your eggs chopped, let's create the delicious salad mixture. In a medium bowl, combine your chopped eggs. Add 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything together until it's well combined and has a smooth, creamy consistency. This simple blend creates a fantastic flavor. Finally, it's time to assemble your perfect egg salad sandwich. Grab your favorite bread, whether it's a classic white, hearty whole wheat, or a tangy sourdough. Spread a generous amount of your freshly made egg salad onto 1 slice. For an extra layer of flavor and crunch, add some fresh lettuce leaves or thin tomato slices. Top it with another slice of bread, and there you have it. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make egg salad sandwich.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.